And moving on, as Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has now announced that the BJP is strongly intending implementing the National Register of Citizens, which is NRC in Jharkhand. In fact, he has cited concerns over the changing demographic situation caused due to illegal immigration from Bangladesh. He also went on to emphasize that the upcoming elections are about safeguarding Roti, Beti and Mati, highlighting a significant decrease in the tribal population in Santhal Pargana from over 44% to 28% now. This is a big claim coming in from Union Minister Shivraj Singh, as he has hinted at how the BJP is strongly set to implement NRC in Jharkhand. Let's listen into that statement.
मतलब हमारी धरती पर घुसपैठियों का कब्जा ना हो और बेटी, ये तीनों बचाना, ये हमारा संकल्प है। और इसके लिए हम झारखंड में एनआरसी लागू करेंगे। नागरिकता का रजिस्टर बनेगा जिसमें स्थानीय निवासी रजिस्टर होंगे और जो घुसपैठिए हैं उनको चुन चुन के बाहर निकाला जाएगा। ये हमारा संकल्प है।
Riyanka, who's joining us live on the broadcast. Riyanka, what is one to make of this statement? And given the fact that it's coming from Shivraj Singh Chauhan, how soon can one expect it to actually get implemented?
Given that the elections in Jharkhand is right at the corner this very year, and the BJP is very clear with their intentions of implementing the NRC in Jharkhand. We just heard this reaction from Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, who has made it very clear that the BJP, if elected in Jharkhand, will implement the NRC. He has also gone ahead and said that it is these elections are in order to safeguard what he calls as Roti, Beti and Mati, and this is being affected because of intruders from Bangladesh. That is what Shivraj Singh Chauhan has said. He also goes ahead and accuses the Hemant Soren government of using these intruders from Bangladesh for a vote bank, as well as other things that he's mentioned. The fact that there is a demographic change that was witnessed in Jharkhand, given that the tribals, the percentage of tribals have come down. He has said that the population in Santhal Pargana has come down from 44% to 28%. So this is what the BJP is now very clear with the fact that they will be implementing the NRC, and that is their promise, and that the BJP has full intention to safeguard these very areas that are connected to the borders, and also accusing the current government of Hemant Soren of using these infiltrators for vote bank politics.
All right, for the moment, many thanks for getting us all these details. Of course, we wait and watch how soon this decision is implemented. We also take a quick check of the other top stories we're tracking very closely this morning in our next news wrap. But before we do that, of course, this certainly is a big announcement by the centre. Remember, this is coming from none other than Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, who's gone on to hint at how the BJP intends implementing NRC in Jharkhand. This, of course, is ahead of the Jharkhand polls that are around the corner. And he's also cited concerns over demographic changes that are caused by illegal immigration from Bangladesh. He's gone on to emphasize that the upcoming elections in Jharkhand are going to be about safeguarding Roti, Beti and Mati. He's highlighted that a significant decrease in the tribal population in Santhal Pargana has gone down from 44% to 28%. He made that statement, which we had also played out for our viewers. And this, once again, as the BJP is all set to implement NRC in Jharkhand.